Hi everyone, I'm Pratima. I welcome you all to this video. So today I'd like to share another GeoGebra tutorial or how teachers can use teaching aids in mathematics using GeoGebra. So I'm opening a new file which is in my desktop. I've already downloaded it and installed it in computer. I can upload the file in GeoGebra website also, or I can use as offline, online, both. This app is very useful for mathematics teachers. So I'm opening, double clicking on the desktop icon as we open other apps or other programs. So I'm hiding the graphics by right clicking on the graph page where my picture is there. Right click, I'm left click on axis, again right click, left click on grid. So I'm getting a plain page. Now what is my tutorial? Today I'll use a slider. Slider is a very useful tool in GeoGebra. So you can see these are the point, then line, then your different types of lines. If you click, you will get so many menus, right, right line, line segment ray, then for point, point on object, intersecting point. Then I'm going to polygon. You can draw a regular polygon. We have drawn it. Then circle with center and the point, compass, everything. Then this is for ellipse, hyperbola, parabola for class 11, 12. Then angle, then reflection. Then next is your, here is equal to 2 is written, it is slider, text, image, button, checkbox, input box. For interactive app, these menus are very important. So I'm going for the sliders. So before that, let me write here what I want to going to share. Text is use of slider. My topic is use of slider, use of slider, use of sliders. Okay, so here I can make it big, I can make it small as I have shown. Click on this, right click on this, write up or text, then go for left object properties. Then a menu will come which for formatting it. You can go for color, you can take red or any, you can go for background color. You can see that this background will be in this color. If you will write the background color, I have taken blue, and this text color, foreground color, you can go for white, or it depends on you. Then for text I can go this bigger one. Click here, you may go medium, or we can make bold. This use of slider. Then okay, next I'm crossing it, click on cross. Then for slider, first one is the slider. Click on this. Here you will click anywhere on this page, you will see that there are three sliders. One is number slider, one is angle, one is integer. What does it mean? It means it is a variable. You can give a variable here, and this minimum and maximum value can be, as you can type here. It will, if you go for increment, it will show different number. First I'm going for number, it is a, and my slider is -5 to 5, and I'm giving increment 1, and then click OK. So first I checked number, then I gave a name to it. By default it will give it a. You can give you can write natural numbers or anything. Then this minimum to maximum, you can then I'm writing increment because it's a number. So increment I cannot take decimal, I'm taking 1. Then I'll click on OK. you will see a slider here, this line. Now if you will move it, it is showing how much I had given these. If I am showing again the properties, I gave here the name here -5 to +5. So you can change it. You can take all the positive numbers, natural numbers. According to your requirement, you can give the values here. So it is showing -5 to -4. It will say. Now what is the use of it? It's use it, I can text the numbers, all the prime numbers or all the integers from -1 to 5, -5 to 5 according to my requirements. So this is one. So let me write how I'll write this. I'll go for text, and these numbers are, I'm taking number is, for number is equal to, now I'm going for your object, then I'll take your a. That means this is the variable now. Variable is a, so number is 5. Just see, when I'll change on this slider, it will change the values. Number 3, number 2, number 1, number 0, number -1. That means why, how it is useful? It is useful for making a quiz or making a question bank. You can immediately you can change the numbers. It will show on, it will show the numbers here. So this, if we'll text this, if we'll text this as big number, it will show big. When you are moving this, it will show different numbers. Now I want it to be done automatically. So what will do? I'll go for animation on. See how it is changing. That means whatever you are changing, they are automatically, it will change. And to stop it, you can go here. You can click here. Then it will pause. You can move it if you want to change. So this is one number. Now I want to make another number. So I'll take a, I want to show two different number. I can add them, I can subtract them. I want to teach small children the addition, the subtraction. I don't want to write all the numbers. So what I'll do, I'll make two sliders. I'm making another slider. So my another slider is B. So here also -5 to 5 increment is 1, especially for teaching integers in class 6. It is very useful. So this is my B. Now number is 5. I'm changing this as number 1 and number 2. So I'll go edit. Here I'll write number 1 or first number. First number. First number is 5. Let me make it big slightly so that it will be clear, prominent to others. I am writing a large value. So it is, first number is 5. So as I have shown, whenever you will change it, it is showing different numbers. Now I am coming to second number. So I'll go for a text second number. I'll click on text. I'm writing here, so it will be second number. Second number is equal to, what is, I'll go for object because this is the variable, I'll go for B. So it will take the second variable. That means the value will change itself. I'll go for right click, then your text, I'm writing this medium size, or I am making large, then I'm bold it. So second number is 1, first number is 4. Let me color it. I'm writing here, this is blue in color. So first number, second number. Now suppose I got the number. Next you want to show the to the children. So what is the sum of first and second? sum of first and second. We are getting the sum of these two. So I'll write sum here. Sum of the numbers. Sum of the numbers is equal to. So I'm making it a big. Click on object properties, make it red color, then your basic. Here I'm writing text. Text is big, so large, it is bold. Then I'm asking what will be the sum of this number. So when you want to show to the children, so what you will do, view algebra will be checked so that there will be no algebra. Now just change it. Now you can ask the children, what will be the value of these two numbers? You can make many questions as I discussed by changing A and B, -5 to +5. You can change the number 3. You ask one question, again change one question, again change one question, so on. You can go on asking. So this will be a very good worksheet, digital worksheet, or a quiz questions. Similarly, instead of sum, you can take the difference. You can write the difference. Next, you can go for the product, not the division. So many worksheets can be made within taking 2 sliders. Now, how to show the correct answer? So that also tools I am showing you. So here you go for input and write sum is equal to just A plus B. In the this is the input bar. If it is not visible, you can go to view. Their input bar is there. You see that it is checked. If it is not checked, then you have to check it. It is already checked, so no need. So sum is equal to, let me see the algebra view. What is there? Sum is equal to -2. It is already shown because I have given the command that sum is equal to A plus B. A plus B, this value, it is showing sum. So what is the sum here? Sum is -2. It is showing in the algebraic part. But here it is not showing the sum because I am not given the command to write in the text box. For that, I'll go to your this sum of the numbers, right click, and I'll go for the object properties, and here you'll take your text sum of the numbers. I'm taking again the variable that is equal to sum. So I'll go for, see, this sum is there, sum. I have already given the formula, it is A plus B. So it is showing that are you going to print the sum? Yes, I'm writing the sum. So immediately it will show a box. So okay. So the sum is -2. Similarly, if we'll click it 1, 2, 1, 3, you can immediately see that it's showing all the values of exactly the sum. Okay, so you can make the children learn. You can make the use it for the practice. You can change the value from -5 to +5, maybe -5 to 10, maybe -15 to +20. So you can vary so that you can emerge more and more questions for practice. I hope it's a useful one. You can verify, or you can extend this as a difference, as a product, using only the formula, changing the formula. If it is difference, it will be A minus B. If it is a product, A into B. So all the for the product only, it takes this star function, not the multiplication. So I hope you have learned, you have enjoyed. If any doubt, any query, you can write me in the comment box. Certainly, it will be a great help for math teachers. Thank you. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to subscribe the channel. Bye for today.